will guide you through how to have engaging ChatGPT conversations. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Sign in with your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface. To start an engaging conversation, think about the topic you want to explore. Type a clear and specific question or statement to set the context. For example, you could say, "Tell me a story about space exploration," or "Explain how renewable energy works." This helps ChatGPT understand what you're interested in. As you get a response, read through it and think about follow-up questions. Engaging conversations are like a back and forth exchange, so don't hesitate to ask for more details or clarifications on parts that intrigue you. You can say, "Can you give more examples?" or "Why is that important?" This keeps the interaction dynamic and informative. Remember, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of topics, so feel free to explore different subjects and ask creative questions. If you ever feel stuck, try prompting ChatGPT with, "What else can you tell me about this?" or "How does this relate to other things?" This can open up new avenues in your conversation. Also, be mindful of the text length. Longer inputs with more context often yield richer responses. Finally, have fun experimenting with different styles and tones. Whether you're curious about history, science, or just want a fun chat, keeping your questions varied can lead to more engaging interactions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.